Kriti Sanon is currently enjoying the success of her recently released movie Crew and has now spoken about what amendments the industry needs to make so that women-led stories can take center stage. Women and their stories have always been vulnerable in Indian cinema, but some actresses and makers often try to go past this notion and create a change. Kareena Kapoor, Kriti Sanon, and Tabu's Crew is one such example. As the movie swiftly crosses the rupee 100 crore mark at the box office, Kriti strongly feels that a man's stardom is not the only thing that can pull the audience to theaters. Kriti highlighted the long-standing industry hesitance to invest in women-centric films at the same scale as their male counterparts. The actress views Crew's achievement as a potential turning point, hinting at a shift towards a better willingness to fund and scale female-driven films on par with those led by men. Talking on the same, she added, "This is sort of the start of a change. I am hoping